All right, guys, welcome to our Literature Interactive Notebook number 6. We have been working on the different topics and skills that readers need for literature-based reading. We've done inferencing, theme, story elements, figurative language, types of stories, and today we are on point of view. Now, point of view should be a review for you. We've done point of view in the past. Today for point of view, you are going to be reading a story, or a passage, I guess, not a story, identifying the point of view that is being used, and then you need to describe how the use of that point of view affects the story, okay? And then, like always, you're going to have a little reflect and write activity to summarize the skill that you were working on. So, I am going to play a video for you guys on point of view. Now, we've talked about point of view, but this video talks about two different aspects of third-person point of view, which is important. I feel that as fifth graders, you should be informed and aware of what these different third-person points of view are. So let's just get started.
Authors can narrate a story from different points of view. To learn what this means, let's consider different versions of the balcony scene from Romeo and Juliet. Romeo was in Juliet's garden. He was on the ground, and she was in the balcony. They looked at each other for a long time. This point of view is third-person observant. The narrator tells us what happens, but he does not tell us what Romeo and Juliet think and feel. He is only an observer, like a camera. Sometimes, though, the narrator tells us more. When Romeo saw Juliet on the terrace above him, he thought she looked as beautiful as the sun. This point of view is third-person omniscient. This narrator shares both what happens and what characters think and feel. He is all-knowing, like a god. Finally, the narrator also can be a character in the story. I looked up at the terrace and saw Juliet, my love, as beautiful as the sun, looking down on me. This point of view is first person. Because the narrator is Romeo, he tells us what Romeo thinks and feels, but he cannot know what other characters think and feel. The narrator tells us only what Romeo experiences. Which point of view works best for the balcony scene from Romeo and Juliet?
All right, so that is a little bit on the different types of third-person point of view. I would like you to read this passage, okay? You're going to, again, type what type of point of view is used, how do you know, and then what you need to do is describe how that point of view affects the story from the reader's perspective, okay? Again, do your reflect and write, and that should be it. All right, guys, I'm excited to see your work.